Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm planning out the week of November 16th through November 22nd in my hourly Plum paper planner. This is still the 8.5 by 11. Really totally loving it. And I'm super excited today because I'm going to be using kit 22 from AlexandraNicolePlans. So this one, if you can see, is formatted for the 8.5 by 11. When she said she was coming out with stickers for this planner, I was like, oh my gosh, so excited, because if you've been watching my channel, you know that AlexandraNicolePlans is one of my favoriteest shops. So I'm really excited about this one. Here are the sheets that come with this kit. So this one is 3 pages. This one has some date covers and the washi. We've got kind of the sampler sheet with all the things. Then this one we've got habit tracker, sidebar, weekend banner, some nice cute check boxes and icons. I also have a bunch of boxes she sent me. So this one is kind of the larger boxes. I think that's like, yeah, it's about like a 3-hour time span. Loving that. This one looks like it's about, you know, an hour and a half time. This is that kind of half-hour box size, and then appointment labels with the times. So I'm just so excited for this. I have been like looking forward to this kit so much. I can't even tell you. I was planning to save it for my birthday, which is December 17th, and it's so, you know, winter and beautiful, but I'm like, I can't, like, have to use it now. Like I can't wait any longer. I really want to use this kit. So I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this week I actually have a ton of trainings at work. I did print off another script sampler, kind of a sheet that I made for myself to do all my scripts, but I think I might need a second one because I have so many meetings and trainings next week. We're doing this big virtual conference thing at work, which I'm super excited about, but it's just going to be a very busy week. Actually, before I go too far with this, let me see where these date headers can go. Oh yeah, they're still gonna fit right up top, even with washi, so that's great. So yeah, it's just gonna be a really busy week, but I like being busy, so I am looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be a fun, tiring, but also a fun week. In other news, the decluttering projects have continued. I found this really cool group in my area, and you might have one in yours as well, but it has to be area specific. So the group is called Buy Nothing. And what this group does is it's not for trade, but like you can post stuff that's just for free that you're trying to get rid of that someone else might want. And so then someone can come and just get it off your porch, and it's awesome because it's super convenient, and I have just been loving it. Likewise too, you can also post stuff that you're looking for. So if you're looking for something for free, you can also say, hey, does someone have something like this? And people post if they want to get rid of that in their home too. So it's just been a really cool group to be part of. And I think I'm gonna do the thick washi down here this week because I'm not gonna have a whole bunch going on down there. I'm not gonna do a lot of filming or anything else just because it's gonna be so busy at work. So it's really a great week to kind of get a little bit more decorative with it. And I'm not really using any whiteout too, and the washi is covering great, even with it being a light color, like the pattern covers really nicely. So while I'm putting on this washi, I thought that I'd mention that AlexandraNicolePlans actually having Black Friday sale early. And so what's really cool about that is it's happening right now. So I'm hoping to get this video up Sunday, maybe Monday at the latest here, but her sale is actually going through the end of the week. So it's going through the 22nd, I believe that's a Sunday. If I'm wrong, I'll put a little, you know, something on the screen here, but I think that is so cool because it's 40% off, guys. So if you're loving these stickers, definitely go and check out her shop around. So many beautiful stickers. Okay, this has to go here, which I think that doesn't have to. I want it to go there really badly. So let me make sure that that's the one that's meant for that and see. Okay, seriously, I've been staring at this kit for a few weeks now, and I'm like now telling myself, don't mess it up, right? You're looking forward to something so much, you don't want to mess it up. I think maybe I'll put the weekend down the bottom this time. But yeah, the decluttering has been going awesome. I'm getting ready like a ton of stuff, and not just kind of like going through and, oh, I kind of don't think I need this, or maybe like I'm getting rid of purposefully a lot of stuff. Just been reading a lot about minimalism, and certainly I'm not going to be like living out of a backpack, but I'm being like ruthless with decluttering my stuff and it's feeling really good. Like I feel like I've been working on it and even talking to you guys about it for a few weeks now, and it's getting to the point where I'm starting to really see some benefits of it. Like our house is much easier to clean, it stays clean longer, like I'm just more calm in our house. So it's just been really, really nice. Oh my gosh, I have to say that after, a few weeks of sticker surgery and trying to make things fit this planner, to have it like a kit that just fits, like this one and even last week, it's so nice. It's so nice. I'm loving it. It's like there's that new appreciation. So actually with these tweezers, funny story, I know like last week I had lost them, and because this was kind of where in this office is where things were falling as I was decluttering, so it was hard to find them. Well, this week I had decluttered everything in this office and put everything away all nice and neat, and I still could not find the freaking tweezers. So I'm like, what's up? And I was turning things upside down, like, how does this happen? Like I was all organized and ready to go. Like where would they possibly go? And then I remembered that Wesley, the 14-year-old, got in some new keyboard pieces yesterday. So he likes to build his own keyboard, and this is a keyboard he's been waiting on for months, probably 8 months, like these pieces he's been waiting on. He finally got them, and I'm like, you know what? I wonder if he took them to work on his keyboard stuff, because it's very detailed work. And sure enough, they were sitting there on his desk. So I lost them again this week, but it wasn't my fault. All right, well, that was one of those lovely, you get a phone call and then it throws off your whole filming situation. I'm sure that those of you who also do these Plan With Me videos know how frustrating that can be. Anyway, I'm not sure where I left you off. Here's where we wound up. So I've got down some things labeled that I kind of just do every week, that routine stuff. I'm just gonna put down this week over here, and then I'm gonna dive in with the actual like kind of work plans and meetings and hockey stuff for the kids, all for this week, get those appointments down. And since there are so many this week, I'm not gonna make you sit and watch all of that slowly. I'll just do the speed up thing with the music, and we're almost there. Actually, this has turned out really great. All right, so I still have some decorative boxes and other things here from the kit that I might like fill in once I know, but For example, here on the weekend, Wesley's a hockey tournament. We don't know when those games are yet, so I'm just going to leave them. We are also going to try to do a family game night here, so I might put in something for that. And I need to think about my habits because I want them to be something that I can actually do throughout the week. So I'm just going to kind of noodle on that for probably a couple hours. But otherwise, it's mostly set up. All the plans are down. It's looking like a very exciting week, so I'm excited to dive into it. There's really not much for a tour around here. It's mostly the kit, a couple of my own scripts. Laundry baskets are from Simply Smith stickers, as are the little planner icon and plan the week here. Film, edit, upload are just Planner Kate stickers. I've been working with that sheet for a while, so still plenty of those left. And that's, I think, about it. Those are all the stickers that I used. Everything else is from the kit. It is gorgeous. It all fits. There was no fuss about it, and I love it, especially this washi. Like, that's my favorite washi ever right now. It's so like wintry and beautiful, and I am really excited to work through the week next week. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you have an awesome rest of your week, awesome day, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.